You have to let go. In time you'll be fine again. It's time to let go. Keep faith and you'll find your way. Just follow your heart when things fall apart. Remember the sun will rise out of the dark. The pain will subside. The rain and the clouds will part. So take heart as your new journey
Listen up,
starts.
little sister. Change comes, still we try to resist it. Our need for control is persistent, but we need to just flow with the seasons. For whatever reason, it had to change. The chapter's complete, so you shouldn't stay.